What's good, ho? So today I'm trying to do a false smoky eye. I know my skin looks like shit, but it's mainly like acne scars, but it's like flat. I don't really have texture except for like a little bit of pores. But yeah, I'm gonna try to wing this shit because I really don't know. I don't know, like I haven't done a smoky eye in a minute. Where do I even begin? All right, so I'm gonna go into the Modern Renaissance palette. This is by Anastasia. And I'm gonna go with Cypress Umber, the dark brown shade. So some people start off with the transition shade and the crease first and then do like the main lid color, but I feel like it just doesn't blend as well, so I'm just gonna try the other way. So I am taking this e.l.f. concealer brush and I'm gonna go into the brown. Oh god, I don't know, bro. I don't know if this is gonna work. Alright, now that you look like complete shit and that you've never touched makeup in your life, we're gonna go with a warm color for the fall look. I want like an orangey vibe just so that it's more fall. Go back into the same palette, but I'm gonna get this orange shade right here. I should like wet this shit or what, but like it's all disappearing. This makeup tutorial is giving me anxiety. In this moment, I really knew that I truly fucked up. Whew. Today was very humbling. This eye look is complete shit. Look at this. Bro, look at this. You couldn't even blend, huh? What they teach in school is not blending. You thought if I put the rest of my makeup on, like the face makeup, it would make it look better, but damn, I am so trash. You thought you was popping. You thought you was shit. You ain't shit. Oh my god, it's so trash. Look at that. Look, there's a fucking crease, bro. When did that even happen? I'm not gonna lie, I kind of blacked out while doing this. Oh my god, like it just got progressively worse, and I just like kept trying to like, you know what, it'll be fine, be good. Just a tip, if you're trying to learn how to do smoky eye, don't ask me, because obviously I'm not your gal. You thought you was a MUA. Even gonna like take my headband off or like change my shirt because I'm wearing a sports bra right now. Like, wow, this was a fail. This ain't it, chief. Should I even pursue makeup anymore, bro? I'm kind of disgusted. Just gonna go wallow in self-pity for a little bit.